And I want to tell our friends, the Jubilee government was a joint project between Uhuru Kenyatta and William Ruto. And I want to tell them, you cannot deny me as deputy president the credit we have achieved in the many things we have achieved as a government. It is not going to happen, my friends. Kama ni mpango ya mabarabara, mimi niliketi kwa meza tukipanga mambo ya mabarabara. Kama ni mpango ya stima, mimi niliketi chini tukapanga mambo ya stima. Kama ni mambo ya TTI, mimi niliketi chini tukapanga mambo ya TTI. Kama ni mambo ya elimu, tulipanga chini tukapanga hiyo mambo pamoja. Sasa yale mambo yamefaulu, hauwezi kuniondoa katika mambo yaliyofaulu. Kama singekuweko, serikali ya Jubilee haingetengenezwa. Let us face the truth. Sijui kama tunaelewana. So anybody imagining that they can deny me the credit for the things we did that succeeded in Jubilee are wasting their time. I made an equal contribution to the success of the Jubilee administration. And I know too well, I have been in politics long enough, that you plan theory in offices, but you execute practicals in the field, sometimes on top of cars. So, hakuna haja ya kusumbuana. Sijui kama tunaelewana. And the only team, I want to say, the only team that can build on the success of the last 10 years and correct the wrongs of the last 10 years, the only team with that experience is the Kenya Kwanza team. The other team have no clue where this thing came from and where it is going, and they are obsessed with trying to manage power and to manage positions and to manage succession so that they can continue to lord over the people of Kenya. And I want to tell them, we are ready for that contest, my friend.